canceled. I couldn't finish my dumb history report.
You couldn't finish a one-page report about the pioneers?
The pioneers didn't have cars or electricity or television. Those people were D-U-U-U-L-L-L. Duh.
Sorry I'm late. Let's jump right into work.
Bad news. The storm is getting worse. The buildings lost electricity, so the school is closed.
All right. Now I have extra time to do my history report.
As you exit, hand in your history reports on the pioneers. I could give you an F, but I won't.
Why are you mad? He's not going to give you an F, right?
No, but I have to write a 3-page report while everyone else gets to play in the snow.
That wouldn't have happened if you did it when you were supposed to. Hey!
The pioneers crossed the country and had hardships like bad weather. So what? Why didn't they just stay where they were, invent airplanes, then cross the country? Duh.
Wow! It's so deep!
This is nothing. I remember one time we had snow over my head.
Wasn't that when you were younger than DW?
Oh, yeah, right. The storm's getting worse. Everybody inside.